Unfortunately, I've got a puncture recently, and because I bought the tyres from Kwik Fit, I went down to them to see if they would fix it. Well, they told me that it was I needed a new tyre because it had such a split on it, it was unrepairable. So I wasn't too sure that what they were telling me was right. They've told me this before, and I haven't needed new tyres, so I brought it back home again. Anyway, I found online a tool that I could buy that enabled me to fix the tyre myself, so I thought I'd give it a go. I've never tried one of these before, and I thought, well, the worst case scenario is I need a new tyre, as Kwik Fit say. So I thought, let's give it a go, and if I need a new tyre, well, I need a new tyre. No harm trying. Anyway, the tool worked really well and was very successful. It only cost a few quid. It wasn't expensive, far less money, a fraction of the cost it would just pay for a puncture repair. So anyway, it was very easy to use. Basically, you take the a tool, which is a spiky tool like this, and you push it, you find the hole and you push it through the hole. So if you pulled a nail out, you push it through it, and it just cleans the hole up and makes it a little bit round. And then you take the next tool, which looks like this, and you take one of these rubber bungs, you feed that through the eye, and you push that through the hole, and then you extract it quickly, and the bung remains in the tyre. All worked very simple. The only additional tools I used, which I have myself, was this little tool here, which is used for undoing the valves of the tyre, so I could let the air out and put the valve back in again. A pair of snips, just to trim the excess off the bung, which you can see I didn't do particularly neatly, but I did do it and it looks fine. And a car jack to obviously jack the car up. Apart from that, very simple, took a few minutes, and my tyre is now fully inflated and holding air. So I've got a slightly grubby hands, but not really. It was a very easy process.